Spain has a new law called the Mbappé Law. The Madrid government has introduced this law to boost the economy by attracting high net worth individuals. It offers tax breaks and other incentives. Similar to the Beckham Law from 2005, the Mbappé Law targets high-income earners. The Mbappé tax law is set to come into place in the region of Madrid and will reduce tax burden of high net worth individuals significantly. But is it as good as it sounds? What are the criteria to meet, and how can you take advantage of this new law to meet your personal needs? Come, let's dive in and find out. Named after the famous footballer Kylian Mbappé, it aims to bring in more talent and investment. The law provides significant tax reductions for those who qualify, making Spain an attractive destination for the wealthy. The law being prepared by the community of Madrid will deduct 20% of the regional segment, almost eliminating it entirely for investments made in the region. This could lead to a surge in luxury real estate and high-end services. Economists are divided on its long-term impact. Some believe it will stimulate growth, while others are skeptical. Critics argue that it may widen the gap between the rich and the poor, leading to social inequality. There have already been protests against the law, with many calling for more equitable tax policies. The government insists that the benefits will outweigh the drawbacks, promising increased investment and job creation. Only time will tell if the Mbappé law will achieve its goals, or if it will face the same criticisms as its predecessor. Will this law be a game changer for Spain, or just another fleeting policy? Let's find out together. If you're new here, consider to subscribe and stay tuned with all the latest developments around the world. Remember David Beckham's move to Real Madrid? That was influenced by the Beckham Law. It let foreigners pay a flat income tax rate. This was much lower than the usual progressive rates. The Mbappé Law also takes a similar approach. It offers a more favorable tax scheme, but it also tightens some restrictions. This makes it different from its predecessor. The Mbappé Law offers a sweet deal for high earners. Named after the famous footballer, this law is designed to attract top talent and high-income individuals to Spain. Currently, Spain's personal income tax consists of two parts: a national segment with 25% income tax rate and a regional segment at 20.5% income tax. In total, high earners in Madrid are subject to a 45% income tax, but this law introduces an exception. It will provide a 20% deduction on the regional tax segment for investments made in Madrid. This favorable tax rate applies for the first 6 years of residency. During this period, high earners can save a substantial amount of money, making Spain an attractive destination for professionals and entrepreneurs. This is a huge advantage, especially for those used to higher tax brackets in their home countries. The savings can be redirected towards investments, business ventures, or simply enjoying a higher standard of living. It means more money in their pockets, allowing them to enjoy the vibrant lifestyle that cities like Madrid and Barcelona have to offer. From fine dining to cultural experiences, the financial benefits are clear. All this makes it even more attractive for the super rich, who often have substantial assets that would otherwise be subject to high taxes. By reducing the tax burden, Spain becomes a more appealing place to live and invest. In summary, the Mbappé Law is a strategic move by Spain to attract high earners and top talent. By offering a flat income tax rate and exemptions on wealth tax, it provides significant financial incentives. This not only benefits the individuals, but also boosts the Spanish economy by attracting skilled professionals and investors. For those considering a move to Spain, understanding these tax benefits is crucial. It can make a significant difference in financial planning and overall quality of life. So if you're a high earner looking for a favorable tax environment, Spain might just be the perfect destination for you. Not everyone can benefit from the Mbappé Law. There are strict criteria to meet. Firstly, you need to be a new resident in Spain. This means you haven't lived there for the past 5 years. Secondly, you must maintain the status of taxpayer in Madrid for 6 years. This targets individuals who earn income internationally. And lastly, your annual income should exceed a certain threshold. This ensures only high earners benefit. For example, let's say a tech entrepreneur earns €1 million annually. Under Spain's regular tax system, they might pay around 45% in income tax, but with the Mbappé Law, their rate drops to 24%. This translates to a saving of €210,000 in taxes. That's a significant amount that can be invested or spent elsewhere. While this new law sounds great, there are downsides one should not overlook. One major concern is the limited duration. The tax benefits only last for 6 years. After that, you're back to the regular Spanish tax system. Another issue is the potential for scrutiny. The Spanish government might closely monitor those using this law. Any attempt to exploit loopholes could lead to penalties. Deciding whether to take advantage of the Mbappé Law is a significant decision that requires careful consideration of various factors. However, it offers a unique tax break for high earners moving to Spain. But is it the right choice for you? If you're a high earner planning to move to Spain for the long haul, the initial tax break might not outweigh the long-term costs. The Mbappé Law offers a reduced tax rate for the first 6 years, but after that period you may find yourself facing higher taxes than you would have under the regular tax regime. It's essential to consider your long-term financial plans and how this law fits into them. On the other hand, if you're only planning to stay in Spain for a few years, the Mbappé Law could save you a significant amount of money. The reduced tax rate can provide substantial savings during your short-term stay, making it an attractive option for temporary residents. This can be particularly beneficial if you have a high income and want to maximize your savings during your time in Spain. It's crucial to consult with a tax advisor who can provide personalized advice based on your specific situation. A tax advisor can help you navigate the complexities of the Mbappé Law and determine whether it aligns with your financial goals. They can also help you understand the potential long-term implications and ensure that you're making an informed decision. In addition to consulting with a tax advisor, it's also important to consider other factors such as your career plans, family situation, and lifestyle preferences. Moving to a new country is a significant decision that involves more than just financial considerations. By weighing the pros and cons and seeking professional advice, you can make a well-informed decision that aligns with your overall goals and aspirations. Ultimately, the decision to apply for the Mbappé Law should be based on a comprehensive evaluation of your unique circumstances. Take the time to thoroughly assess your options and seek guidance from experts to ensure that you're making the best choice for your financial future. The Mbappé Law has sparked debate. Some experts believe it will boost Spain's economy. They argue it attracts talent and investment. Others are more skeptical. They worry it mainly benefits the wealthy. They also question its long-term impact on Spain's tax revenue. The jury is still out on its overall effectiveness. Indeed, the Mbappé Law is also a strategic move by Spain to attract global talent and wealth. While it offers significant tax advantages, it's definitely not a one-size-fits-all solution. Carefully consider your personal circumstances and consult with experts. Only then can you decide if the Mbappé Law is the right move for your financial game plan. What are your thoughts on this new scheme from the Madrid government? Is there something similar in your country? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. Also, if you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing to stay connected with us. Until next time, take care.